Hello folks, my name is Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. This week's point of view video is this 2009 Cadillac CTS. This is very well equipped for a base model. It has the panoramic moonroof, leather obviously. The car's in very good condition. Has less than 100,000 miles on it. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and take it for a spin. This Cadillac is equipped with 3.5 liter, or 3.6 liter rather, 263 horsepower engine. Drives like a Cadillac, just kind of floats down the road here. A lot of local yard sales going on around here. I guess that's one of the nice things about Corydon, Indiana. We all live locally. We have a lot of local great customers. Really, it's just a great place to visit, and really an even better place to pursue buying another vehicle. Little next stretch of road here, we're going to give it a little bit of acceleration just so we can kind of see how it feels. Getting close to highway speeds. Really good acceleration. almost getting back to home base here. Folks, if you have a few minutes this weekend, it's Memorial Day, take a little bit of your time, come on down. We'll find the perfect vehicle for you here. And just remember, when looking on the internet, the way we price our cars is a no haggle type situation. We discount our cars right off the get-go, so we can avoid any type of haggling. Folks, my name is Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. We all live locally here, and we'd love to see you guys over this Memorial Day weekend. Have a great weekend. Thank you.